What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an image in Dola AI. First, open the Dola AI app on your phone and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, tap the option to make or to create a new image or start a new AI generation. Next, type a clear description of the image you want to generate. For an example, you can enter something like a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, or any prompt you like. After that, tap the generate button and wait for a few moments while Dola creates your image. Once the image is ready, you can preview it on your screen. If you're happy with the result, tap the download or save button to store it to your device. You can also generate another version by editing your prompt and creating a new image. And that's it. That's how to create an image in Dola AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.